Happy Sunday, everyone. This is Hapkosi Online here. You can follow me on Twitter if you just want to get details and updates about what's going on Sunday's internet channel. Also, we do have got a Facebook presence. Just go on their Facebook and like Sunday's internet channel and turn on our notifications on Twitter. Okay, guys, welcome to Sunday's Internet. Today, we just want to talk about the difference between 2G and 5 gigahertz networks. What are those networks and how can you use them, as already explained due to previous videos. Now, last week I just made a video just like this one, just explaining the difference between mobile cellular phone technology and this wireless spectrum. So you might as well just notice that Wi-Fi spectrum is all about gigahertz, and these Wi-Fi signals are similar to microwave signals, X-rays, gamma rays, infrared, and some other rays. So if you are interested, I'll post the link at the end of the video. The reason being that you notice the difference and appreciate what is all there about, because that video caused a lot of comments. You can check out the comments there yourself. They were all crazy about that. But today I just want to talk to you about 5 gigahertz and 2.4 gigahertz network. Why is it so different, and why is it the 2.4 gigahertz and that one is just only specific, it's just only 5 gigahertz? You better ask yourself something, but I'll get later into that. But basically, it's all about Wi-Fi connections to the router and your computer. So if your computer has got this function to the router of MoMeMo technology, multiple user, multiple input, multiple output technology, it's going to be easier just to switch over the bandwidth that I'm talking about. This bandwidth spectrum of 5 gigahertz and 2.4 gigahertz spectrum. So beginning of this video, I just want to tell you there's nothing inherently wrong like from using 2.4 gigahertz or 5 gigahertz, because 5 gigahertz normally is used by Wi-Fi routers and not most people are using it. When it comes to 2.4 gigahertz, almost everyone is on their device using 2.4 gigahertz. That's just why you'll have to expect slow internet connections, because most people on your surroundings will be connected to that 2.4 gigahertz to receive that Wi-Fi connection. It could be a public hotspot like at KFC, McDonald's, or wherever. You are only going to be connected to that 2.4 gigahertz via Bluetooth. So now, if you want to switch on to 5 gigahertz, you might as well just use your Wi-Fi router just to check on that one. And it's also advisable if someone hops into your Wi-Fi connection or is hogging your internet, you can change the router to a other channel so that no one can hog your internet or watch whatever thing that's going on. Even also from your computer, you can just see how many devices are connected to your Wi-Fi. Later, earlier this month of August, I made a video of how to log in your neighbor's Wi-Fi without a password. So if someone logs into your Wi-Fi without a password, you can easily identify them from that Wi-Fi router setting that, okay, this one is connected. Then you can shift the bandwidth from 5 gigahertz to 2.4 gigahertz. Okay, and like from the beginning, like if I explained, there's nothing inherently wrong using the 2.4 gigahertz and connecting to a Wi-Fi spectrum. The only thing is that it's only being used by microwaves and radio signals. You might as well just notice that most radio stations are at 98.0, 96.1 megahertz. Those ones are lower frequencies, which allows further better connection. But the only thing that's great about this 2.4 gigahertz is about the speed and the protocol. So I'm gonna talk about that later. But it's all about the range, the speed, and the protocol between all those differences, but more or less gonna be similar. But the 5 gigahertz, it has got low range and connection when it comes to low speeds and in nearer distances. So now it's better to connect to a 12.4 gigahertz rather than 5.0 gigahertz in nearby connection. So it's only limited on that thing. But I think the 5 gigahertz has got way too many advantages of setting the 2.4. It's not just only being by that thing of close proximity and everything. And take into consideration again as well, guys, that 5 gigahertz is being blocked by many devices, or it can not just only devices, it can be blocked by air or wall buildings or your surroundings in actual fact. So that's why hence there is slow connection. But the 2.4 gigahertz, which we normally connect with via our smartphones, it is not limited by walls or networks. That's just why we can connect via Bluetooth over longer distances. But with 5 gigahertz, you can't just do that. But there's a big difference. There's the holy grail of 5 gigahertz, which is now coming, is that you can allow just many people to connect to your Wi-Fi rather than on 2.4 gigahertz. You can just only connect to about 3 of your friends, because if you just look at the whole spectrum, it has got about 100 channels, which has got about 80 megahertz in width. So now that means if you are on a 2.4 gigahertz, you can have 3 of your friends coming over to the router and connecting to that one, but it's only going to be allowing 3 overlapping channels. Whereas if you are on the 5 gigahertz spectrum Wi-Fi connection, you have got about 1000 channels with the maximum width of about 100 megahertz. So now that means about 33 channels are going to be non-overlapping on that 5 gigahertz channel. So now that means if you are in a complex or in a surrounding whereby there's too many Wi-Fi routers, like in a suburb where many people can connect to different devices to the same thing, you're gonna have this problem if you are on a 2.4 gigahertz, because everyone's gonna be connecting to their Wi-Fi and is going to be intercepting with your Wi-Fi connection to your 2.4 gigahertz. But now the advantage of 5 gigahertz is that you've got all these channels through to yourself, because no one else is intercepting with that channel of yours. You've got it all to yourself. It means that you can have over 33 of your friends coming over and occupying, connecting to that Wi-Fi without not even disturbing your connection. So that I hope that it clears everything that I've just said about Wi-Fi connection using the 2.4 gigahertz and 5.0 gigahertz. I hope that you find that useful. And guys, let me know down there in the comment section if this video was useful to you, and consider again clicking subscribe button and enable bell notifications, because YouTube's algorithm might not show you after we've uploaded a new video concerning Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and Wi-Fi routers connection. Thank you guys for watching. Hoping to hear from you guys from the comments. Have a nice one.